Coming to you today at 104 Walnut Street. We're in the town of Chestertown, Maryland, which is a cute small town right here on Maryland's eastern shore. This is a gorgeous historical home built in 1933, but you would never know based on its condition that we're presenting it to you today. A beautiful colonial that is 4 levels. We have a full unfinished basement. We're giving you a quick tour here of the main level. We have an upper level with 4 bedrooms and a full bathroom, and then a walk-up attic, which would be great for storage as in its current state, or you could finish the space to have a loft plus attic or an upper level loft. There's lots of potential still in this home, even though don't let its age fool you. There's so much room to grow. You could finish the basement, finish that loft that we mentioned, and then also expand on existing features while still keeping its charm, which the current sellers have done. They've upgraded with newer appliances, they've redone the kitchen, they've redone the full bath upstairs. We have a half bath here on the main level, and you have a really long lot, but they've kept a lot of the original historic charm. We're sitting in town limits, but we're on about a third to a quarter acre lot. It's a long rectangle lot. So you'll see behind me here as I swoop around, you have a long backyard space that goes all the way back to where almost those cars are parked in the firehouse parking lot, which is great open field for you to customize. Hardwood floors, attention to detail, true rooms, as we have a formal dining. The kitchen you saw, the back sunroom would be great for an office as well. We have a front formal living room space, a beautiful staircase that leads to those 4 bedrooms I mentioned, and then one of my favorite features is this screened porch off the living room area. I could just imagine sitting out here in the summer and then listening and watching the cars go by, eating some crabs, having a few drinks, and really soaking in a gorgeous feel, but all fully screened in. This one is a great price as we're listed under $350,000, which is hard to find for a 4-bedroom at over 2,000 square feet. So don't hesitate on this one. Come take your tour. Once again, we're at 104 Walnut Street in the town of Chestertown, Maryland.